Epson just debuted a brand new direct-to-film printer at Impressions Expo in Long Beach, California, the Epson G9070 DTF printer. This machine is absolutely incredible. The G9070 is the new big brother to their 35-inch G6070, which has already been carving a space for itself in the DTF world. Now, what's immediately noticeable about the G9070 is its size. This thing has a massive 64-inch print width. You could print either one super wide roll or two regular rolls of film, which is how it was set up at the Epson booth. The G9070 has an insane output of up to 350 square feet per hour. And with the Precision Core Micro TFP printhead, you're gonna get ultra crisp images with beautiful color. So if you're serious about getting the absolute maximum amount of beautiful DTF prints per hour from a single machine, do not sleep on the Epson G9070. This brand new printer is shipping out summer of 2026, but you can get all of the information and product specs right now at heatpressnation.com.